If a calculator brings in mathematics, right, and we calculate, wouldn't this be the setup of the calculator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When we add it, when we multiply it by 3, I get 369. When I multiply it by 3, I get 1368. When I multiply it by 3, I get 2367. In reality, this would be 369. Add up the first two, it would be 468. Add up the next two, it would be 567. 18 is the total over here. 18 is the total over here, and 18 is the total over here. Okay, I can add up the 18 to each one if I want, but what I want to show you is that between here and here is a total distance of 999, which tells me there's 333 difference here and 333 difference here. To go from here to here multiplied by 3 is 999 and 999. So when we see on here 999, what are we actually trying to add up? You cannot put this pen over here. If over here doesn't exist now, I need 2 spaces to put the pen. 147, 258, 369. If I multiply 147 by 3, the left side of the calculator. If I take the center of the calculator, 258 up the cross, I get 774. And obviously, just like the Sanskrit, they're always moving numbers. 857 is over here. Now 85, and then it begins in 7. Now it's 85, and then it's 7, and then it's 857, and it's all the same numeric values. So these values over here, okay, would all be 303, 303, 303. But there is a switch in here, because every time there's a 0 that shows up, that means, okay, I'm on one side or the other side or the total side. Do you understand? Or maybe 0 says I have to switch this way. 2, 5, and 8, okay, is a total of a movement of 6. 1, 2, 3 is a movement of 2. So it becomes 6, 22, 6. At the same time, this is 12. If you minus it, it's 429. If you add it, it's 453. This one over here is 15. If I add it, it becomes 789. If I minus it, it becomes 759. 59, 69, 74. Here, the total is 18. If I add it, it becomes 1125. Now, this is a very special number. I'm not going to get into it. I don't remember where and why. Okay, area space is 400 of 100, so it'll be 33 and 75. This would be rotation inside the moon, or something to do with rotation with the moon. But that's what this gives me over here. It's also 45 times 25. 45 quarters will be $11.25. It also marks 7 and 2, and that's your rotation of this, number 27. 27 and 37. Just take any number. 99999. Well, 99999 divided by 37, 27072. 999999 divided by 27 equals 37037. This is the cube, 27027, and this is 37037. Okay, this is the cube. And the numeric for the sun, this would state 101. But this is the cube. It calculates to 31. 37 will calculate to 31. 39 will calculate over to 19. Okay, 27 will create, and it will tell you the story. Win a big red sun, it'll be 969. 9 times 6, 54, and 54, 15, and 15. This value tells you all about Mars. And 33 times 47 is 1551. It's a number, and it also becomes 111, which is a passing. 5 and 5 is 10, becomes 1. All 10s. Zeros become 6, it becomes 171. 1771, 1717. I don't know where all the numbers fit in, but this is your value. Now, if you want to add them all up, 441 plus 441 plus 774 plus 1107 equals to 2322, which is VW. And I've seen this before, which is VW. When we add up this one over here, right, it becomes 369 plus 1368 plus 2367. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake. And it becomes 4104. 10-4 is communication. All zeros equal 6. This is your DNA. Now I have to come up with a different story. 14 is the N. D stands for second. I have to come up. This is the 10 world. It becomes 414. And then because 0 equals 6 becomes 474. This becomes a lot of things, but at the end, it all talks about this. The streets of Saturn. Streets of Saturn connect the Hoover Dam and Arizona. Arizona, one zone. Hoover Dam, Arizona, Las Vegas, where all the numbers are. Right? Where all the numbers are. You notice over here, 0, 1, and 2 is over here. But on the telephone, okay, on this side of the telephone, you have 3 more numbers above here. If I put them together, I need 3, 6, 9, 12. I need 15 numbers. You follow what I'm saying? On the telephone, do I have a telephone over here? See if, can I get this phone to come on? No, 0 time on the battery. So anyways, that's what this thing. Now, if I add up the 2, right? If I add up the 2, this became 474. And I don't remember where 474 or 414 was, but that's the DNA. And this is Jesus Christ on the cross of time. That's what this will say. And if you look at my logo, it's Grover Cleveland on a flagpole. Number 23 and number 22. 22 is Grover Cleveland's. We have number 23, and we start 24 at Grover Cleveland again.